and welcome back. So today is August 16th and I am here in a hotel. I'm just going to give you a quick room tour. I'm here on August 16th simply because I'm supposed to fly out on August 17th at 7:30 in the morning. However, because it's an international flight, I have to be at the airport 2 hours early, which means I have to be there by 5:30. And I do not want to wake up my son at 4:30 in the morning to take me to the airport. Also, today is my daughter's birthday. Happy 14th birthday, Alexa. I love you. I hope you had a good day today. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick room tour and I'll show you where the airport is. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, you can turn left and you can see this cool little space. It's got a little mini fridge, a safe, a little coffee setup, a bottle of water, a mirror. Hi, me. There's a cute little closet. I'll just be quick because I know you guys probably don't really care. I love doing the little room tours though. There's my bathroom. And let's go and check out the bedroom. It's really cute. It's a king size bed, very nice. Of course, I have already jumped on it. That's the first thing you're supposed to do when you get to a hotel, right? I think. Got this nice little chair. The TV there. And then check this out. This is where my hotel is right now, where I'm at. Duh. And this is the airport right there. Bam! I just gotta walk right across the street. I'll be at the airport, so it is perfect. But that is it for now. I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour and let you know that I am here and I'm flying out tomorrow morning. Take care.